Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 9th, 2021. Is Virgin Galactic a buy now? I mean, seriously, is it a buy? Well, we're going to try to figure that out today. We're going to try to answer that question today on this video for Space. SPCE is the ticker symbol for this particular market. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. So many other YouTubers are out here giving you a perspective of 10 years, 15 years. They want you to hold these stocks. Well, for us, you can do that for a certain limited amount of stocks. Every stock is not a long-term hold. You got to figure out which one are long-term holds and which ones are not. All right. And majority of them are not. Virgin Galactic may be one of them. So why not come in and hold the positions for a spat, for a time, and come back and take the bag, right? Well, let's talk about it today on the video. Welcome. If you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, because this is what I do. I'm not going to come in and try to give you my opinion. I'm not trying to come in and persuade you as to what I'm looking for the market to do. I simply come in and examine price only, because that is the only thing that matters when it comes to the stock market. What you and I are trying to do with the buys and the sells. Everything else is irrelevant. Right, it is. I mean, you can see from my last price prediction, which we played the weakest into the market in space. I was telling you all then, hey, look for the price in Virgin Galactic to go down. Look at it. October the 17th, what's the last time? Take a look. It's still in our playlist. You could go back and listen to the video right now to see what I said in regards to this stock going down. And it did, right? From October the 17th to December the 1st, the market came down 25.5%. Right there. Now, the question is, you can see it. We wasn't overly weak in the market in space. Let me show you. This is why it's so powerful to understand price and price only. We saw that support and buying was going to come into the market around $14.80. And that is precisely where the market is reversing. You guys can see that the market is reversing its price. We bounced and now we're starting to see price come back up, which is why I'm doing this video. Is it a buy now? The market is trying to tell us something. Is it a buy? Let's try to figure it out. So congratulations to those who was able to catch this move to the downside like we were, because this is what we do without the confusion. All right, so now real quick, let me zoom out. Okay, now we said that around $15 was support. Now, how do I know that? It's simple. The answers are already here on the chart. It's nothing hard, nothing confusing about it. I mean, check this out. We've seen this market in space, Virgin Galactic, hold $15 numerous times. Look at this. We saw the market bounce from there on November the 11th or the 12th. We saw the market hit support here, September 25th, 2020. It did it again, September 4th, 2020. And we got a whole lot of trading days where the market held support back in June. I mean, come on, the answers are already on the chart. It's not hard. Now, the question is price going to be maintained though? So let's figure this out. Let me get rid of this because we're no longer trading up there, so we don't need to have the line there. All of our focus needs to be on Virgin Galactic trading above $15. That's it. That's it. You guys can see from the market action that majority of the trading occurs above $15. This would be a pristine opportunity to come in and buy the market then, right? I mean, maybe what? 60, 65, 70% of the market has been trading above $15. So let's see what we have on a longer term time frame then. Okay, this is the weekly. Now we have a day and 9 hours left, and I'm going to be real with everyone. What I see on the chart right now in space is a very positive sign to let us know that, yeah, the buyers are still trying to control the market around $15. They are, because we're seeing the market reverse its course from us going down to where we're trying to go up in price. That's good, right? Now, am I telling you that the market's going to go exceedingly higher? No. What I'm trying to show you is that the market is finding a basis again, just like it did back in May, right? We're trying to do that again, because we may actually just see the market in space do this, just like we did back in June of 2020. just trade sideways for a couple of weeks, couple of months before we see the market take off, right? So depending on how long you're trying to be in the play, it might be a while just for the market to move up higher in price. Let me set the context. Let me set your understanding as to, okay, let's not think that we're going to shoot up like a rocket in one day. No, we might not have that situation because we've been in a very sustained down move for a while in Virgin Galactic. So it's not going to shoot up immediately in price. Or at least that's not my expectation. This is the 2 weeks time frame. Again, it pretty much resembles the 1 week, to where price has gone down and now we're seeing the price come up, right? We're seeing it. Monthly time frame. This is where I don't want you all to be complacent and think that we're golden and ready to let price in space elevate, because this last monthly price bar right here still resembles weakness, right? So we have what, 22 days, 9 hours left, and we really need to focus in on how this monthly price bar for December concludes, right? Because if we close lower than $15, right, $14.25, we're going to try to come back down to $12.50. Yeah. But at some point, that's one thing about shorting the market, is that you only have a very limited amount of run space to go down. At some point, it's going to reverse. And it seems as if that it's going to be around $15 again in space. All right. So now, let me show you where I am seeing the first spot to where the sellers could be. Because I am going to play the strength into the market in space. But let me keep it real. Okay, this is the location right here. $17.45. That's the first spot. Okay, that we can see the market in space get rejected and price come back down. So for us to play the strength into the market in space, we might need to take the bag there. We might just need to nibble, take some of that profitability off the market right there, because we're not here to be greedy. We understand that the overall trend into the market in space is down. So as price goes up, I mean, let's take that 8% off the market, right? Because if the sellers are really in control, they're going to push the price down right there. $17.50. That's the first spot. Now, the ultimate area that I'm seeing that we can see the market in space come towards is up here towards 20 or $19.50. Okay. That's going to be the second area. And that's how far I'm willing to take the prediction right now. Okay. Because I really want to see the market strength in space come through. I haven't seen it yet. So I'm going to be real conservative in my prediction as to how high I'm looking for the market to go. You, on the other hand, you might want to take it all the way up there to $28, $30, right? You might. But for us, we're not going to do that yet. So you guys can see the two locations to which we're going to play, expect price to go. $17.50 is first. What we got, like 8%. Yep, 8%. Second area is going to be around 20, 22.75. So that's it. Okay. Now, if the strength is maintained, if price continues to hover above $15, $14.50, then we're going to go a lot higher. So be on the lookout for that as well. Okay. So let me go ahead and zoom this in so you all can see what we got, what I'm expecting the price to do. I'm going to extend it down a little bit further below this $15 price. Maybe around like $14.25, something around there. Okay. So this is it. We're going to continue to watch the market in space. So far, yeah, we're going to play a little bit of strength. I'm not telling you that the market is extremely strong, but we have found a basis. The market is starting its reversal from going down to starting to go up. It doesn't mean that we're out the woods yet, so keep that in mind. But basically what I'm seeing on these multiple time frames is that the buyers are still controlling this market down here. All right. So now let me know, where do you think the price in Virgin Galactic is going to go to end out 2021, beginning of 2022? Where do you think the price is headed? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.